We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. First of all, you must know that the L is silent in the word, so do not pronounce it. Then, in British English, this is normally said as calm, with a rather open R sound, calm. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as calm, calm, with a bit of a lower sound, R sound, calm in British English versus calm in American English. Did you get the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.